Okay, magsisimulate tayo ng discharging operation na video para kahit pa paano magkaroon kayo ng idea as early as now kung ano ba yung nangyayari, paano ba mag-line up bago mag-discharge. So, discharging operation tayo ngayon ha, simulation. Okay, Chip, you can now start the discharge.
Okay, engine room, please set up the inert gas system.
Okay, inert gas. Yes, you can use the inert gas now. Use oxygen analyzer 1 and fan number 1.
Oxygen analyzer 1 and fan number 1.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll be using the IG mode. Then the next step is switch on the master switch. Buksan nyo.
Very good.
Then pindutin mo itong boiler uptake valve.
Okay.
Then pwede mo na rin pindutin yung run and print para umandar ang ating IG printer. Make sure na nakaset ito sa 500 muna. Huwag muna natin taasan para meron tayong margin. Then wait natin yung oxygen na bumaba ng 5%.
Okay.
So this is just simulation. So ito ngayon ay nasa 11.9 kasi hindi natin ginagamit yung IG. Oxygen is below 5% and all the IG branches are open. Press this one, IG supply. So okay na ang IG natin. Pumpy, you can go to the pump room.
Okay sir, proceed to pump room.
Okay, thank you. So we just have to wait for the terminal na sabihin sa atin na pwede na tayo mag-umpisa ng discharging.
Okay. Okay, Chief, you can start discharging anytime from now.
Okay, I can start discharging anytime from now. So first things first, we will open the stepping valve number 4. So this one. So it will pass through the bottom line. Then open natin yung bulkhead valve. Then the suction valve. So once you open this suction valve, the separator will be filled with cargo. On the AUS, source on, then switch to auto, then fully open. Normally you can just ignore this at first because the separator is full, but if you want to be just to be sure, you can put it in normal mode, this one, and this will stay in manual. Open this 100%, then open the discharge valve about 5 to 10% in order to bleed the air from the riser, from this one. After a few minutes, pwede na natin isara to. Then, ready na for slow turning ang ating cargo pump number 1. Engine room, you can start slow turning on cargo pump number 1.
Okay sir, slow turning.
Thank you.
COP 1 minimum.
Okay, COP 1 minimum. In this case, we will ask the deck to open the manifold. Number 1, 202.
Open 202 manifold number 1. Manifold number 1, open.
Okay, thank you. Now manifold number 1 is open. Now once the manifold 1 is open, we will have to easy open the discharge valve about 5 to 10% so that the cargo will pass through the delivery line. Easy to fill up the line going to the manifold number 1.
Okay.
So 10%. Deck advice if cargo passing.
Yes sir, cargo passing in manifold number 1.
Okay, cargo passing in number 1. So I will open easy the discharge valve. So number 1 up to 100%. Open.
Manifold pressure 2 bars.
Okay, manifold pressure 2 bars. So you can also set up the line 2 and line 3. So doing that, make sure that you have also opened that some other tank, or open this one wing, and make sure that the forewing is also open. Then you can open the bulkhead valve of number 2 and the suction valve of number 2. It will fill up the separator. You can also fill up the line 3 by opening the bulkhead valve of number 3. and suction valve of number 3. Then open this 5% and then close again. Then put this to normal mode, then fully open the discharge valve of the AUS. Opening on number 2 and number 3 now.
Okay, slow turning and minimum. You can now control the COP number 2 and
now
3.
we are now on minimum. Okay. Deck manifold pressure.
Manifold pressure 3 bars.
Okay, advise if there is an increase in pressure. So I will open easy the discharge valve of number 2 and number 3, one at a time.
Okay, pressure 4 bars.
4 bars, okay. So once this 3 discharge valve is fully open and these 3 cargo pump are in minimum, we will wait for the advice of the terminal if we can increase the pressure.
Yes, Chip, you can increase to maximum 9
Okay,
bars.
I can increase up to maximum 9 bars. So engine room, I will be increasing on 3 pumps, 1, 2, and 3 cargo pump.
Okay, sir, increase.
Okay, 50-50.
Increase 50-50.
Okay, so simulating, increasing 50-50. Check all lines from forward up to up.
Forward, up, starboard side manifold, no sign of leak, pressure 9 bars.
Okay, P, everything okay in the pump room?
Sir, everything okay in the pump room, no sign of
Thank
leak.
you. So monitor if there is a reduction in the alliages. Kung nagbabawas yung ulo, 4.
Okay.
At yung mga tangkay mo pa na nakabukas. Make sure na pagka nag-increase ka ay mag-parallel pumping. Make sure na yung discharge is in parallel pumping sa silang tatlo.